Hi, welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I'm doing a cause and effect spread for any issues, maybe your love life, your career life, your finances, the reason for your issues, your current energy, what the best you can do, and what will be the outcome. So, the first card for Cancerians is your general energies, how it is, the root cause for your issues, and what the best you can do, the solution card, and the outcome card, and universe message from angels, the guidance for you. The first card for Cancerians, the card Knight of Swords, says that there are some chaotic situations in around you, arguments, confusions, fights. So something is something is not well. There is some chaotic situation in and around you. The root cause for is King of Swords. It says that someone who is a little bit higher in authority than you may be creating some issues in your career life or in your love life, so that is creating lot of problem. In some cases you may be doing that in your family or in your workplace, that brings some chaos in your workplace or in your love life. So those are the energies because of a stern behavior of a person. There are lot of confusions and chaotic situation in your life. That may be you or that may be someone else. So the solution for is Four of Swords. This card says you have to contemplate the issue and think deeply how you can do, rather than doing any rash decisions and taking any spontaneous decision. It is advised to you that you take a deep thought about the situation, take the total aspect of the situation, how it is, why it is, what the best you can do to overcome. With several possibilities, you have to think, meditate and contemplate to know what is the best for it, and then take a decision. You can take the decision of the Almighty, the power of universe to help you. The outcome card is the Moon card. So this if you take decisions from your intuition, what your gut feeling says, then you can definitely overcome this issue. If not, there may be situation that your opponents can win over you because of your immature decisions rashly taken. So you have to be very careful, otherwise your opponents or your people who are creating issues may get the higher power above you. That is the message for you. The universe message is genuinity of authenticity. So it says that in this situation you should be genuine to you, no fake things, no drama, nothing. You should just take the inner message that you are getting from the universe and act accordingly with authenticity. That will help you to overcome all issues. These are the guidance from the universe and tarot, guys. I think you like this video, and kindly like, share and subscribe.